Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, you guys have been loving my first impression video of this portable dryer. Yes, this is a portable dryer. It only does heat through electricity. It's no gas required for this dryer. And I got it from Best Buy. It was a pretty penny. It was like, I think it was $7. I'm going to put it on the screen how much I paid for this because I really don't remember coming from the top of my head. But I bought this in May 11th to be exact, of 2024. And it is now November. Like, wow, time flies when you're having fun, right? So this is going to be my, I guess I could say 6-month review of this portable dryer. So what we're going to do is, because you guys know, I can't just talk. I got to show you, okay? We're going to be washing clothes in this baby, okay? Keep in mind that this is way bigger than this. So I could put multiple loads from this portable washer into here. I have to hook up my washer into the bathroom. But before I do that, I just wanted to show y'all like the overview and stuff like that. It still looks brand new. I'm not the type of person that takes off the plastic. So no, I haven't. Is it plastic here? Yeah, it is plastic here. I haven't took off the plastic yet. It's still looking nice and clean inside, as you guys can see. And it just has this knob, which I'm not gonna lie, at first I was like, Revy, like, oh, I don't know about this. But I got so used to it. And yeah, so just to cut the long story short, would I recommend this still? Absolutely. If you have the money, because once again, this is expensive. I think I paid like $700 for this. But I am a Best Buy store member. So basically with my membership, everything that I buy comes with a warranty on it. But specifically for this item, I paid, it comes with a 2-year warranty, but I paid additional for 5 years. And the best part about it is if it breaks, they come and they fix it. I don't gotta worry about lifting this thing because this thing is heavy, okay? This thing is heavy. But anyway, y'all, this is how the dryer is holding up. I love it still. The next time y'all go see me, it's probably gonna be a year. I'll do a year. But other than that, like, it's holding up beautifully. Let's get to washing some clothes, shall we? In case you guys had never saw my YouTube video about this washer, I have a whole YouTube video set up and designated about this washer. But I just wanted to show y'all a little glimpse of this beauty inside, because without this, my dryer wouldn't really shine now, would it, okay? And I rarely put any stuff in there, to be honest. I just throw it right in there. But this is the Magic Chef. And this is how I have it set up to my sink. So this comes out like this. It's like a little clipper thing. So this comes out like this. It's like a little snap, push and snap type of thing. And then the water is going to from here. So it's like a whole little, you know, yeah. And then what I did was I put a zip tie here, which I have to create a short for this little hack. I have a zip tie here to hold it together because the water comes out through this hose and I want the water to come out in the sink, obviously. So yeah, this is how I do my little setup. Let's wash some clothes. Hey, the goods is here. These are the goods, okay? So this is the 1.6 Magic Chef. I had to go look it up because honestly, I had this thing for over 5 years. And I forgot what size it was, but it's the 1.6. So this is, once again, this is way smaller than my dryer, but I just want to give you guys an idea of what could fit in it. But I just want to let you know also, if you want to buy something that's portable and it's more than a 1.6, I say go ahead and do it. Because honestly, if this was to break on me tomorrow, God forbid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a bigger washer because my dryer is so huge, like, you know. Anyway, so the first thing that how I do my laundry, which is basically, this is turning into a do laundry with me. I gotta put one of these in there for the color because stuff be bleeding. But anyway, y'all, let's count how many items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8, 9, 10. That's probably gonna be the one that's gonna bleed too. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep in mind, these are like light items. They're not like heavy sweaters and stuff. What was I up to? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it's 23, 24. And I could, honestly, I could like fit some more stuff in here if I wanted to. But I'm just going to leave it like this because my basket is done. So yeah, we got 23, 24 items. So now I'm going to come back to you when this is done washing. And we're going to put it into the dryer. Okay, it just beeped. So the clothes is washed, baby. And you see how like it shrunk all the way down? Yeah. So I'm going to put the clothes in the little basket. And we're going to go put it in the dryer. Okay. We got the goods. This is the goods. And I want y'all to see in real life how this is going to look in here. Okay. So I'll set this right here. Okay. All right. And I usually just throw it in there. You're going to see it in real life. Don't laugh at my... of how it's going to fill up. And the last item. Okay. So this is how it looks with everything in here, and it's still so much space. Like this is like basically, this is where basically everything lies, but like if you see, like it's halfway full. So yeah, and it's just huge in here. Like it's huge. And you saw how full it was in my washer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close this. Let's close it. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna start it. I usually, you could do like 120-ish, because these clothes are light. If it's like sweaters and stuff, honestly, yeah, I'll just leave it. It's gonna be dry though before the load ends. And then I just press start, and it's doing its magic, baby. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna come back when the clothes dry, but it's not like you guys could feel the clothes, but just so that you can see the clothes when they're dry. And yeah, okay, so it has stopped. When it stops, it shows that it's off right there. The knob turns and everything's dry. See, look, the clothes are nice and hot. One thing I can say about this dryer, I don't have to worry about the clothes not being dry. I have yet to worry about that, and we're about to be 6 months in. So yeah, so normally what I do is I put the clothes down here into this little basket, and then I just do the next load. So yeah, guys, that just wraps it up for this video. If you're interested in getting it, I recommend it. 10 out of 10, and I recommend. And yeah, any questions, comment below and let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.